Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In this video, we are going to discuss about polymorphism. If you remember, in the previous video, we discussed about inheritance with example programs. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. So today's video, we are going to discuss about polymorphism. See the word polymorphism. It comes from the Greek roots where poly means many and morphe means forms. It means one thing behaves as many different ways based on the situation. In case of programming, based on the input. Generally, we achieve polymorphism by method overriding and method overloading. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about see the agenda, method overriding, and a super method, and method overloading. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you learn something from this video, please support me. Please hit the red subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. First, method overriding. If we have two classes with same method and with same attributes in different classes, then it is called method overriding. I will show you with a simple example. First, I'll take a class. Object-oriented programming means everything in class, okay? And this time my class name is section A. And I take init and I supply self, my one variable name, okay? Self dot name is equal to name, right? Okay. And inside this I take a simple method. My method is student. We have to supply self as argument. Inside this simply I print self dot name belong to section A. This is a class section A, but the student don't want to join in this section A. Student not permitted to change this class, so the student override this class. Now the student use this method overriding. So I'll show that. So class, and he want to join in section B. He give class name as section B, and the student inherits section A. So give round brackets, and in the round brackets give a super class name. We already discussed in the previous video how to perform inheritance. As usually, the link of the video is in description. And we create the method, same method. I'll copy this and I paste it here. And the student create the same method, same parameters, but here it changes section A to section B. Okay, alright. Create object. For example, S1, student 1, object for section B. And here we have to give a name, right? For example, name basha. Now s1 dot, now call the method student. Now I run the code. Now it went basha belong to section B. This student method which is in class section B overrides this student method which is in section A. This is method overriding. Next I'll tell you about this super method. This super method is used to find method with a certain name in a object's superclass. It's not confusing, right? I'll explain with example. For the same example, for example, I want to print belong to section A, this statement. So to do that, I use super here, this super method, super, give the method name, super dot student. Now this super method call the object superclass, that is this class. I run this code. They have basha belong to section A is printed. Finally, method overloading. In Python, we don't have this method overloading. The languages that support object-oriented programming like Java, C Sharp, C++, all these languages have this method overloading, but Python don't support this method overloading. But I will tell you what is method overloading. If you have a class with two methods, with same name but different parameters. That is method overloading. For example, think like this. There is a class called person, and inside this person class, there is a method called information, and inside this information, print the person name and person age. And inside the same class, the same name information, there is a method which will print his name and his age and also his phone number. Then this is method overloading. There are two methods with the same name but different parameters. The first information method have only name and age. The second information method have name, age and phone number. This is method overloading. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.